Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So the candidates who wants the regular notifications, I kept the Telegram group link in the description box of this video. So click on that one, then you may join in my Telegram group link. And now while coming to this present video, we are going to see the assistant professor and the lecturer vacancies from the three colleges. Out of these three, one is a state university and second one is the deemed university and third one is the affiliated state university college, that is a degree college. Okay. So these vacancies we are going to see right now in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so at the first Arts and Science College, that is Lata Mathavan. So they are wanted the lecturers for the computer science, chemistry, computer application and commerce. And eligibility is the PG with MPhil or PhD or NET or SET passed with excellent communication and teaching experience. And office manager is also requirement is there, and the junior assistant. So coming to the office manager, eligibility is a graduate with good knowledge and junior assistant graduate with computer knowledge. Salary is negotiable and you may send your resumes to the provided mail ID here within 10 days. Okay. As per facultytic.com website, this notification came on 17th December 2020. So the interested candidates may send their resumes to this provided mail ID. And coming to the second one is walk-in interview for one post of assistant professor on contract basis in the Department of History in Dibrugarh University. So a walk-in interview will be held on 28th December 2020 at 10:30 a.m. So in the conference hall of Vice Chancellor's Office DU for one assistant professor post on contract basis in the Department of History. Qualification is MA in History, the candidates having NET or SET or SLET or PhD under the UGC regulations. And the specialization is a medieval Indian history, and the salary is 25,000 rupees per month. So the interested candidates having the requisite qualification may appear in the interview with copies of biodata, attested copies of all testimonials and experience certificates. Okay, along with the original certificates of qualification for verification, and the candidate shall be required to pay an amount of 200 rupees only as a registration fee. The TADA, no TADA will be provided for this purpose. Okay, and the next one is the third college is Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. It is deemed to be university. So here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there, and you can check down the subjects: mechanical, aeronautical, electrical, computing, building, management, basic sciences, liberal arts and the design. So you can check down the specializations also here. So if you belongs to any one of these specializations with PG or PG plus UGC NET or the PhD, okay, then you may send your resumes to this provided mail ID here. Okay, so and in the official website of this Hindustan Institute of Technology also you can find out in the careers blog. Okay, so here the application link is there. So click on this apply online and you will be directed to the Google form. Okay, you can fill up all your details and then click on the submit button. Okay, so these are the three different colleges. One is the deemed university, and the second one is the arts and degree college, and second one is the Dibrugarh University. So please send this, please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.